Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm here with a very short and simple video just to show you guys how I make turbans for my daughter, like the one that she's wearing in this video. So to start off, you need some stretchy fabric, and there I've measured her head circumference. Right now it's about 18 inches. I don't add any allowance, I just cut it out as it is. And when I cut, I make sure that I'm cutting on the stretchy side. The width is about 10 to 11 inches. I went and I drew a curve on the corner. I'm so sorry for that bad angle, you guys. And then I now went on to cut a curve just like that. So that is the shape that I have. Then you can also go ahead and hem that straight edge, but if your fabric rolls up, personally I don't see the need because it will still be covered anyway. It just like sort of folds over. Then I now threaded my needle, and then I'll now start on that curved side. I'll now start at that corner, and then I'll just start doing tacking or basting stitch. It's basically the stitch where you just go in and out until I get all the way to the other end. And while you're doing this, you just be pulling your thread and gathering the fabric. So as you can see, the turban is already starting to take shape. Then when you get to the other end, you now start to join that part, and that is basically how I just do it. I just bring the edges together and then I start to sew them. After that, you can see that it's now starting to take shape. Then for the decoration, I took this piece of fabric. It was about 24 inches long. You can even use the same fabric as the one that you use for the main turban itself, and then I folded it in half. Then I took it to my table, and then I also started to do a basting stitch on it the same way that I had done on the turban, pulling it as I went along. So when you pull it, it forms like a circle shape, and which sort of looks like a little flower, which is very cute. And then I went on to sew it onto the center of the turban while also adding these little beads. I thought that the beaded pearls would look cute, so I was just sewing them on while sewing the flower at the same time. So that is all, you guys. It's very simple and straightforward, and I hope you enjoy the video. Bye.